Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the Nova Desi Convention Center. This is your UNTV Cup Executive Face-Off 2024. Hashtag win and win. Win in sports. Win for charity. For the first game of today's triple header, it's your DOJ Bacon's Executives going up against the DFA Diplomats. And now introducing the players for your DOJ Bacon's Executives. Number 1, Richard Fadulyon. Number 5, Joey Guillen. Number 7, Attorney Mike Humarang. Number 9, Attorney Chester Natividad. Number 11, Attorney Joel Jose. Number 14, Attorney Charlie Guhit. Number 15, Attorney Jay Gumasing. Number 16, Attorney Alex Leveriza. Number 17, Attorney Noni Tagalikod. Number 19, Attorney Mel Blanco. Number 21, Attorney JC Gaurano. Number 22, Hermogenes Andres. Number 24, Attorney Glenn Akal. Number 26, Johnny Kagiat. Number 34, Eric Nuki. Number 39, Tom Tejano. Number 45, Carlo Limiu. Number 77, Miko Clavano. Head coach for DOJ is Paul Reguera. And now introducing the players for the DFA Diplomats. Number 1, Asek Ariel Peñaranda. Number 3, Manny Guzman. Number 5, Attorney JP Samonte. Number 7, Attorney Von Ferreira. Number 8, Asek Noel Fernandez. Number 9, Yusek Charles Jose. Number 10, Patrick Chua Soto. Asek Patrick Chua Soto. Number 11, Rosel Reyes. Number 15, Marshall Alferez. Number 16, Charles Macaspak. Number 17, Yusek Ed De Vega. Number 18, Bob Quintin. Number 21, Alex Vallespin. Number 22, Asek Christopher Montero. Number 24, Arvic Arevalo. Number 27, Mark Benigno. And number 38, Asek Rally Tejada. Head coach for DFA is Gazali Bien El Gandrosa. Ladies and gentlemen, please meet the starters first for the DOJ Beacons Executives. At guard number 1, Richard Fadulyon. The other guard number 15, Attorney Jay Gumasing. At forward number 14, Attorney Charlie Guhit. The other forward number 16, Attorney Alex Leveriza. And at center number 9, Attorney Chester Natividad. Head coach for DOJ is Paul Reguera. And now, please welcome the starters for the DFA Diplomats. Starting at guard number 5, Attorney JP Samonte. The other guard number 9, Yusek Charles Jose. At forward number 18, Bob Quintin. The other forward number 27, Mark Benigno. And at center number 7, Attorney Von Ferreira. Head coach for DFA is Gazali Bien Gandrosa. Introducing our officials for this game, Edric Chico, JP Eliezer, and Chess Santos.
Malapit na pong ihagis ang bola para...
Saan, sir?
Doon sa tatama sa gitna.
Saan banda, sir?
Hindi pwede volleyball dito, no?
Aba.
Masyado
meron
ba?
tayo yan.
Dito?
Meron tayo.
Sabihin nyo na to?
UBN tayo, sir. Nandiyan si Boss Rina.
Hindi, pero dito, sabihin nyo na to. Mahirapan.
Hindi pa natin. Ay,
Ito
tama,
mababa,
sir. Oh.
mababa.
Ganito yan, sir.
Ah.
Dilipat natin bandang kanan. Sir, pa ganun.
Ano, 3-on-3 volleyball?
Ay, ganito.
Ay, nako.
Aba.
Ah, master mo yun.
Sir, dati may 9-man, di ba? Oo.
Ah, sige na. Tawa ng tawa itong dalawan to. Sabi ni Rina, go Rina.
Alright, let me share about Coach Butch Gandarosa na kausap ko nga kanina. Sabi niya sa akin, they're very lucky to be part of this year's Executives Face-Off. And of course, the intention is very clear for the DFA Diplomats right now, and that is to support the advocacy of Kuya Daniel Razon. Pero you know, the struggle is really real for the team to expect the players to be present on a regular basis tuwing may games nga sila. As he explained to me, itong nangyari sa kanilang team, they had no tryout going into the Executives Face-Off. These players were personally handpicked by their team manager, Mr. Robert Cantin, a month ago. Ito lang daw yung mga players na naglalaro doon sa kanilang mga tournaments within the agency. Idagdag pa natin, no, karamihan dito sa mga executives na to, mga foreign service officer. Meaning to say that job requires a lot of traveling for them, a job that requires a lot of meeting, and a job that requires a lot of courtesy call. Kaya nga expect that they will be undermanned in most of their games. Pero the commitment is very big for the team. Sabi nga nila, iiwasan na nila na maging undermanned sila katulad na nangyayari sa kanila during the last Wednesday game. Back to you, Sir Sev.
Okay, maraming salamat, Rina. We are still scoreless, almost a minute and a half into our game. Yun naman ang challenge nitong, alam mo, like most teams, Ronnie, you find your rhythm, kung ilan ang pwede, sige.
Which is never easy, especially for an agency such as the DFA.
Oo, pero
Iba kasi ang ano na to, sir, ibang latag eh.
pero gusto ko yung trabaho nila.
Gusto ko rin yan, sir, pero mahirap yan.
Ibang level of diplomacy.
Mahirap yan, sir. Pati yung exam yan, mahirap yan.
Talaga? May exam yan?
Meron yan, sir.
Wow.
Mahirap yan. Di ba yung daughter ni former President Gloria Macapagal-Arroyo, si Luli Arroyo?
Si Luli. Oh.
Ganyan, sir. Oo.
Samantala, let's see if Samonte can break the ice. Saan ang kasal ni Rex Trinidad?
Sir, ganito yan. Wedding singer.
Wedding dancer.
Invited. And then,
Wow, package. Package cost.
We lang, sir, kasi inaantay pa niya yung ding. Yan.
Okay.
Wedding singer.
Okay.
Invited.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you. In the meantime, ice has been broken. Samonte scoring on one of two charities. Nice pass to the big man inside.
And that's the big man that we highlighted earlier at the top of the coverage.
Chester Natividad.
Nakita mo naman, sir, sa tindig. Sa pwesto.
Kamukha niya yung kalaban ni Carlos Yulo kagabi.
Yung Israel, sir, yun. 0.3 lang, di ba, sir?
Konti lang. 15 si Kaloy. Tapos 14.9.
Ganda. I watched you last night, sir.
Thank you. In the meantime, our country happy. Uy! Ganda ng angulo, hindi na-shoot.
Ito, sir, kamador ito ng ano.
Sino?
Si Guhit, sir. Matagal na si Guhit.
Si Guhit nga pala, no?
Sabi ni Guhit, ako naman ang guguhit ng kasaysayan dito.
Ayan, si Prosecutor Padulyon. Tagal ko nang kilala yan.
Nice looking jumper at may arm sleeve pa, sir.
Nakakuntuhan ko yan kanina. At close ako sa family ng kanyang wife.
Talaga, sir?
The Bustamantes. In the meantime.
Sila Pilar?
Yeah!
I see.
Sister-in-law niya si Pilar.
I see.
The late dear Pilar Estrella. In the meantime, here's Leverisa.
Nice pa.
The side. One more time around the block. Tres kaya? Linis.
The first one was almost. The second one was all clean for a 4-point lead and the first 3-point basket para sa DOJ.
As I've learned from you, nasukat na. So next one is usually...
Sa akin, sir, patirahin mo lang ang shooter eh.
Para matikman.
Isa, dalawa, tatlo. Pero alam mo na...
At a certain point, papasok.
Papasok ko. Pero pag pinatira, hindi mo napatira.
Parang ano yan no?
Mahirap.
Parang yung mga gunners ng Atoy ko, Alan Kaydi.
Sir.
Sabi mo sa akin na nung... Saan ba tayo? Nasa Davao. Tingnan mo yan, sir, second half. Diba? Bigla
tuloy na.
pamada.
Kailangan masukat eh.
Ang sukat nun, not because nagbabago yung court, but yung tansya, yung
tansya, sir. Minsan, pagod ka. Minsan, iba yung depensa. Pero minsan, pag yung kadalasan, pag alam mo na yung technical error, maski isang mata lang, sir, wala ng problema.
Ito na naman! Sa kanto! Dalawa!
Ang ganda naman. Habang kinukwento namin for Fadulyon, knocks in his second 3-point basket for a 7-point lead on a 6-point run para dito sa DOJ, courtesy of Fadulyon.
Very simple basketball by the DOJ. Looking for Fadulyon in the corner. This shot will not work, however, for Mr. Benigno. Alam mo, dami rin usek tong grupong to.
Lahat yan, sir.
Diba?
Oo.
Dati, nung araw, isa o dalawa lang ang mga usek-asek.
Talaga, sir?
Ngayon, dumami ang functions eh. ASEC for something, USEC for something.
Tayo, sir.
USEC whenever we are useful in the context of UNTV. Ayun, binantayan na si Padulyon. Oy, ganda na step. Nice pass! Ay, the big man missed it and he's guilty of an offensive foul. He missed.
Nakasukat na rin sa loob.
Yeah.
Mamaya, babarag na yan sa loob. Sir, tayo ay tumulak na sa pang-8 buwan, ha? Taon.
Ng sports season ng UNTV.
Eh, sa bagay sa nagsawa ka ng kasama ko dahil January, February, January, February.
Ang break ko, volleyball eh. Pero kasama pa rin kita doon.
Ayun na nga. Hindi ba sir, kasama mo kagabi ay si Carlos Yulo.
Yun. Ay, sayang. Hindi na abutan ni Jose. Takbo ang DOJ. They're attacking close to the basket. They miss, however, that shot. And stepping on the baseline, malamang. Carlo Limio.
Still a good look. And that's all you want. Get that basketball close to the rim for a better chance to score. 6-0 run para sa mga nakapati.
Ano, Rina? Ano meron dyan?
Yes, let's talk about Yusek Charles Jose wearing jersey number 9. No? One of the most senior player of DFA. No? He has been with the agency for the last 38 years. His last assignment was being ambassador to Kuala Lumpur for more than 10 years. At before siyang na-appoint bilang Yusek dito. The best part of his job, aside from traveling, he said, is helping and meeting Filipinos from across the globe. When it comes to sport, you know, he's not very much talaga into basketball. But this is his cross-sport from tennis, which he loves to play at an earlier age. Kaya nga daw nung inimbitahan siya dito ng kanilang team manager to join the basketball games, no problem because he has the endurance to run full court. Pero ang problema, hindi nga siya magaling sa shooting. Kaya nga kanina maaga siya dito sa ating venue to practice more on his shooting. Sir Sev, back to you.
38 years. Inabot niya yung parents mo, Rina?
Bakit? Ano parents ni Rina?
Iba yun. ADB ang parents ni Rina.
Asian Development.
Kasi, nasabi ko sir, kasi yung building. Oo, dati doon ang building na ngayon ay current home ng DFA. Tismoso ako sir eh.
Alam ko. Kasi yung ADB katabihan ng eskwela ng mga anak mo.
Sa ngayon?
We'll be right back.
Sa depensa sa ilalim, sa taas.
Opensa, di ba ako kasi si Sir Mariano natin, ang point natin. Tapos, ang nakakalimutan natin yung sinabi ko kanina, di ba? Pag nag-drive sila, kuha na kayo ng tao. Dapat makikita nila. Kasi pag natitikitan nyo yun, maano rin yung pasa eh. Di ba? May iwas yung drop pass sa kanila eh. Ha? Okay, so yung depensa natin, ha? Ayan. Let's go. Rebound. Hey. Let's go.
Okay, nagpapatuloy po. Ito may problema ang Department of Foreign Affairs. Wala pa silang field goal, ha?
Mapensa, sir. Medyo kulang. But defensively, they're trying their best to hold forth. Oh, nice. Ball handling.
First up 10 sa 8 seconds, sabi na eh. So, a defensive takeover.
Right? Forcing the turnover. Football pressure yun, sir.
Ako, naniniwala ako sa sinasabi mo. Pag natapos ang tournament ito, luluwag ang mga uniforme nito.
Sir, nakita mo naman eh. After bagyong Karina, pagbalik nila, nagpayatan na eh. 2 weeks eh.
Smart ang ginagawa ng DOJ. Mas malaki sila sa loob tayo maglaro. Hindi naman kailangan, although kanina may 2-3 sila. Nice penetration. No problem that time for number 21, Gaurano.
Who forced the turnover earlier and that intense ball pressure against De Guzman. So this is already a 10-0 run para dito sa DOJ.
Here's Guzman. Shakes free. Here's a wide open shot. Did they make it? Still can't make it from afar.
Sir, agawan sa rebound
Basta kakampi mo yung kaagawan mo, okay lang yan. Gamit pa ba yung expression na yan? Mag-amuyan tayo?
Madalas, sir.
Madalas, pasok. May kasamang foul.
Hindi lang pwede magamit yung expression na yun, sir, nung pandemic. Delikado. Another inside basket, the second in a row. Plus 2 3-pointers. That makes a total of 10 points. That's the way DOJ has put some pressure on the inside defense of DFA na kanina ay parang fortress pero ngayon ay binabasag unti-unti ng DOJ.
So si Akal ay nasa free throw line. Ang ating bilang 14-1. Pero alam mo gusto ko sa spirit dito. Okay, fine. We may not win games. Tambak tayo. At nakapag-exercise tayo ng Sunday.
Saka sir, kasali na sila sa UNTV.
Yan. Because marami pa rin gusto
Yes,
sumali.
totoo yan, sir.
Maraming naghahanap ng liga.
Tama yan, sir.
Nainggit nga ako sa kanila. Nakakalaro.
Ako rin, sir.
Ikaw nakakalaro ka pa eh.
Parang hindi ko na kaya.
Sobra ka naman. Wala na yung Monday group nyo.
Hindi ko masikaso, sir, eh.
At saka si Direct Nick Ernst siya nasa abroad eh.
Hindi ko masikaso, sir. Baka bukas.
Uy.
Monday, hindi, sir. Next week siguro.
Ang hirap
Baka
din.
pwede na.
Bagay, lagi mo naman ginagawa yan ikaw. Pero huwag mo isasali si Rex Trinidad.
Sir, mahusay
Oo,
magpano yan.
alam ko. Kaya nga huwag mo isasama.
Mahusay yan.
Una.
Wedding singer?
Oo. Ano pa?
Wedding invitee? We. Yeah.
Saka huwag mo imbitahin. Talo tayo sa outfit yan. So, sponsored ang outfit yan.
Partner, sir. Ayan mo, ganito yan, sir. Beige.
Age?
Green.
Green?
In the color green. Samang linggo to, sir.
Masama. Masama. 14-1.
Tapos sir, naka-beige tayo nga. Tatlo tayo, sir. Oh.
Nga. Tino pinag-usapan.
Si boss, wala sa uniform mo. Foul.
Alam mo, yung DFA, drive kayo baka sa free throw muna kayo maka-score.
Sir, ang lalaki. Tinan mo.
Yan lang. Kaya zinozona pa. Nice cut. Ayun. 3 seconds may foul.
Foul, sir.
Penalty na ba? Penalty ang DOJ.
Yes.
Kaya pwede mag-free throw.
Yes. Ang DFA, 0 of 8 from the field. 6 sa tira sa labas ay mula sa 3-point line. 1 of 4 from the line. Make that 1 of 5.
Tigas, si Samonte lang na naka-score sa kanila.
Let me double check, sir.
Isa lang.
Tama, 1 of 5 sa free throw ng DFA.
Si Samonte kanina, yung number 5. Nako, tulis. Takbo. Smart ng laro ng DOJ.
Sir, nagagawan sa bola ulit.
Hingal.
Coach Butch Gandarosa calling the shots para sa DFA.
Ang
Cordillera naman, sir, no?
Ang sipag niyang to support the sporting teams ng
Coach Butch, sir? Oo.
Yung volleyball.
Pero ang hilig niyan, sir, ay golf.
Talaga.
Oo. Every weekend yan, sir.
Sira lang today kasi may laro. Kulang yung
Sir,
isang
tingnan mo yung likod. Ba yung bulsa, nandun yung club.
At saka tingnan mo kulay.
Aba?
Pag ikaw pinag-usapan niya na favorite topic mo eh. 14-1 ang ating bilang. 2 minutes, 17. Nahihingal yung DFA eh. Ayun, free throw baka sakali. Hinga.
Ako, sir, sa akin saludo ko sa mga sakripisyo nila to represent the agency and make themselves available for the executive face-off. Kasi iba ang trabaho nila, sir, eh. Among other government agencies.
Minsan naman kung minsan during the course of the week, hirap din nilang scheduling kasi
Sobra.
lahat ng embahada ay concern nila. Lahat
over the
diplomatic. At saka yung dito, yung mga different countries that have embassies in our
Sa
country.
Pilipinas, sa Manila.
Yep. And they're everywhere. Meanwhile, baseline, what is the call? Traveling. 14-2 ang ating bilang. 2 minutes to go. Yep, that's what I said. Here comes Guzman. Sungit, Sungit.
Sir, ang sabi niya last.
Okay.
Mamaya sa fourth.
Oh, ganda pass out. They get it inside.
Look at the reaction of Coach Butch. Sir, yes sir. First field goal for DFA came at the 2-minute mark of the first. Inside basket, still down by 10.
Courtesy of Marshall Luis M. Alferez. Here's a call. Oh, again, they found the inside and they're successful anew.
That's a straight line pass to Guit underneath who knocks in another inside basket.
Parang ang tagal na natin yung na-cover si Charlie Guit. Ano?
Tagal na sir.
Maganda yung second game, ano, yung OP against Zenit. Sila Chicoy Alvarez ulit.
Baka niyan sir.
In the meantime, that won't work.
Aha.
Nice intention. Ano tawag? Foul?
Holding foul.
Sino yung may isang Coliseum announcer dati? Hacking foul. Sabi ko, hoy, hindi lahat ng foul, hacking. Uy, hindi pa ba penalty yung isa? Hindi pa. Sinayaw. Ayaw. This out of line ang kanyang tira. Libre sa side. Kapos. Nakakuha ni Guzman. Takbo tayo sa kabila. May oras pa ba? 40 seconds. Walang kasabay si Guzman.
Si Guzman ang pinaka-fit dito sa
Mukha nga
sir,
no?
no?
Oh, ganda. Here we go. DFA.
4-point run. 4-point run.
Tihada ba yun? Yeah, tihada.
Nice looking execution.
Yeah, si Raleigh.
Early offense.
Raleigh. Tejada and Isek. That one worked. Oh, nice brush off. Low hit.
That was teamwork working para sa DOJ. Tagiwat clearing out itong manlalaro ng DFA para kay Guhit.
Hi. Hi. Nadali rin ako ron. Hindi ko tinignan yung clock.
It's okay.
Yeah. So it ends the first quarter, 18-6. DOJ in front. Okay, we are ready to start the second quarter.
Sir, parang gustong-gusto ni Rex yung
Yung alin?
Apple tea up na...
Nag-iibang tiplada niya pag nakakadinig.
Panoorin mo, sir.
Iba-iba.
Oh, sir. Oh.
Sakit sa mata.
Tira mo, sir.
Sakit. Ayoko na.
Wedding singer.
Wedding singer.
Wedding invitee.
Wedding invitee.
Wet.
Wet.
Isado natin yan, sir.
Okay. Okay.
Pang-Olympics, sir.
Yan. Ito nakita natin yung DOJ. They pounded it inside. They had 3-point shots. They had a little of everything. And we have Rina as well. Rina, go.
Yes, let's talk about the DOJ Beacons this time around. Nagbabalik sila because they did not participate last season. You know, for this season, their lineup is purely executives only from the DOJ and NBI main offices. Unlike the last time they joined here, may mga galing sa kanilang mga constituent agencies katulad na lamang ng Public Attorney's Office, Office of the Government Corporate Counsel, Bureau of Immigration, Office of the Solicitor General, Office of Dispute Resolution, Bureau of Customs, Land Registration Authority, and National Prosecution Service. So dahil galing na lang sila sa dalawang main offices nila, nag-concentrate sila sa pagpili mula sa DOJ at NBI, mas mabilis daw silang nabubuo to meet for the purposes of practices. Although you cannot expect everyone present at the practices, but at least 70% of the team goes and join the practices. Back to you, Sir Sev.
Isang sigaw lang nila sa mga opisina dun sa Taft Avenue. Ayos na eh.
Doon ba yan, sir?
Tabi-tabi yan mga yan eh.
Sabi, UP Manila yan, sir.
Grabe na, because diba, the center of government
Before?
ang creation ng mga Americans kasi was like Washington ang gusto nila nakapaikot. Although ang layo ng Malacanang. Teka, nagkauntugan yata rito.
Sir, tinignan pero...
Wala naman.
Ayos lang.
Inadvertent.
Ayos lang. August na sir. August 3.
Oh.
Oh. Nagbabag ang mga kamay.
Isn't it August 4? You are too busy.
August 4, sir. August 4.
You're too busy, you know.
Just like you,
You have no awareness of your schedule as the DOJ is running and they score on this layup.
A 7-0 run in the first 56 seconds. Or, tama, 7-0 run. First 58 seconds of the second quarter for a 19-point lead.
Mike Humarang with a breakaway layup, giving them a 19-point lead, 25-6.
Ito sir, yung mga early getaway na hinahanap mo kung tingin mong meron kang advantage para maikot mo yung rotation, makapaglaro yung lahat at hindi masyadong sumakit ang mga katawan niya para bukas.
Exactly. Naku, yung tira ni Fernandez, kapos na kapos.
But I like the shoes, sir.
Nino, ni Fernandez?
Yes, sir.
Adidas Superstar?
Tinitignan ko nga, sir.
Baka parang Adidas Superstar.
Ganyan lang. Pag high cut, sir, pro model. Pag low cut, superstar.
The first team that had an Adidas Superstar is the Meralco team of Coach Sonny Jaworski.
Talaga, sir?
Ah.
Tapos nakita ko yung Adidas Abdul Jabbar.
Yeah, tapos yung kanilang uniform nun yung parang yung sa Atlanta Hawks.
Alright.
Diba yung isang poster doon sa
Yes, sir.
gym sa Meralco?
Kilowatts.
Oh, look at this. The running. Humarang scores his second basket.
11-0 run. Para dito sa DOJ, propels them to a 23-point lead. Unforced turnover for Samonte. In his intent to pass it to Quintin was in the short corner.
Yeah, takbo lang. Sabi ng kupunan ng DFA, takbo lang tayo. Ako, libre. Ako, pinasa sa loob. Hindi umabot sa paroroonan, but they get to keep the basketball.
Sobrang init kanina, sir, no? Punta rito, no? Nabigla ako, eh. Kasi sa gabi, laging umuulan.
Oo.
Nagbabaha sa EDSA, sir.
Oo nga.
Hindi ka ba nahirapan papunta sa Pioneer, sir? Ang traffic, eh.
Madaya ako, eh.
Oh, Pab!
Kasi nilalakad ko yan kuminsan from Shangri-La Mall papunta ng
Mayflower, William, sir? Tinatawid mo na? Kaya.
Dahan-dahan. Yun na yung aking 10,000 steps. In the meantime, tawan-tawa ka naman itong... Bakit asan yung mga yung hindi karapat-dapat ng mga taong kasama natin?
Natarapik.
Huwag mo na pababalikin yung dalawang yun, ha? Si Moy, lalo na. Baka bumibili lang ng pineapple juice.
Yung ano niya, sir, 2 kilograms of freshly squeezed pineapple.
Pineapple juice.
From Del Monte.
Ito si Guzman. Fires. Uy, sayang. Ganda ng shake move niya. Ito si Padulyon.
Dalawa palang arm sleeves ni sir.
Traveling. Sayang.
Apat na sana. Ganda ng ano, sir, no? Ganda ng forma, eh.
Sabi ni Humarang, palitan niyo ako. Nihingal na ako.
Sir, may bisita ka.
Sino?
Ayun, nakaputi, sir, oh. Patrick Fran, sir.
Bakit kasali dito?
Nakala niya San Juan ito, sir.
Mali. Mali ang punta.
Oo. Ganito yan, sir. Pagliko niya San Juan, wabos ang G. Araneta. Skyway na.
Okay. Uy, ganda ng step. Well done. May mga maalam na player to the DOJ, ha? Gumasing. Jay Gumasing with a nice foray. 31-6 is the count with under 7 minutes to go. Jose, the tennis player. Family of tennis players siguro yan. Kasama siya niya.
Bon Jose.
Yung mga,
Johnny Jose.
Johnny Jose, yung great family of players, national team players. Sabay nila, ano yan? Ampon at nila Teiro.
Magagaling yun, sir. The giants of the game.
Yeah. Oh, Padulyon with the steal. Padulyon gets it back. He wants to crank up a three but does not force it. Here's Gumasing. Goes to Padulyon. Fires. Not this time. Rebound. Again. And they go to Padulyon. Resets. Recalibrates. Still won't make it. Here comes the loose ball. Here comes Guzman. Okay lang yan. Ilakad nyo. Ba't kayo magmamadali? Sige lang. Work it. Work the offense. Nice ball fake. Pull up. May foul. Titira ng free throws. Ang kupunan ng DFA. Going to the line will be Ferreira.
We ended the first 10 minutes at 18-6. 13-0 run here.
Ganda ng pangalan niya. Von Ryan Ferreira.
Again, sir?
Von Ryan.
Von Ryan.
Parang sine. Von Ryan Express.
Yun yung sa ano, sir? Sound of Music? Hindi.
Yeah. Sounds like that.
Von Ryan.
Uy, ganda ng free throw. Nicely done.
BRF. 2 out of 2.
2 out of.
First 2 points of the quarter. Para sa
Ilan ang field goal ng kupunan ng DFA?
2 of 13, sir.
Uh-oh. Under the basket. That's a strong source of points. Badalion free for a 3. No. Follow up.
Natividad. Head and shoulders above the rest of
Above
the opposition.
everybody.
Yes.
Ang mga tansya mo sa height? 6'3"?
6'3", sir, 6'4". Parang si Paul Reguera nga kahawig, di ba, sir? Tinan mo. Dati nag-skinhead si Paul Reguera eh.
Kaya naglaro si parang familiar yung
Paul Reguera, sir?
parang baste.
Kundi tayo nagkakamali.
Oh,
Ako madalas nagkakamali.
hindi ako sure. Parang sounds like a baste player.
Another inside basket in the restricted zone for DOJ.
Alamin ni Reyna yan. Reyna pa.
Faster than a speeding bullet.
Here's Guzman. Limited to the perimeter. Ang kupunan ng up. That's an air ball again. That won't work on that attempt.
Uy!
It's a double dribble. Ito na naman yung bola. Ayaw sumunod sa'yo, no? Alala ko naman. Lalaro pa tayo nung pinasa mo minsan sa akin. Nung araw, abutan ko yan. Hindi na.
Alam mo, sir, yung ginagamit nilang bola. Bola talaga rito sa UNTV Cup yan, sir.
Unique sa
Yung
UNTV.
brand na yan, oo. Kaya ako nalaman, nakita ko yung AFP sa kanilang practice venue. Nanghiram kasi ako ng isa niyan, sir, kay Kuya Joey, so ginagamit ko.
Okay.
Kita nila, sabi nila, yan yung bolang
UNTV.
order namin. Oo, kasi gusto nila yan mismong ginagamit sa ensayo.
Uh-oh, nice pass inside. The shot just didn't work that time for Marshall Luis Alferez.
Could have been the first field goal para dito sa DFA.
Saan? Sa second quarter?
Second quarter. Oh, yes.
Oh!
Sabi nga ni Efren Bata Reyes, lista mo na. Corner pocket. Good. Dalawa sa kanan, isa sa kaliwa. Just like that, 25 points.
Ilang points si Padulyon?
Siyam, sir.
Puro
12,
tres.
4 na.
Na tres.
Sa labing
Puro
isang
tres.
tira. Not bad.
Saka confident siya, no? Alam niya yung gagawin niya. This shot, almost. Alferez, just a bit offline.
Ayan, sir, parang yung pasa ko sa inyo.
Yeah.
Oo.
Nung araw, labas muna sa kupunan ng DFA ang si Quintin. Pumasok si Mark Benigno. Chill lang ang laro ng DFA. Laro lang tayo.
Laro lang, sir.
Laro lang.
Sabi nga ni The Late Flash Ilorde, wag bara-barabay.
Wag bara-bara. And the rebound controlled by the DOJ. Glenn Akal will bring it up. Padulyon, libre na naman. Hello. Not this
Ang
time.
ganda ng forma, sir, eh.
May shooters.
Oo.
May arco, eh.
Naalala ko nga sa kanya, Malagari David.
Granada.
El Granada.
Guzman. Alferez. Tejada. At mayroon time foul at the 3:13 mark of this second quarter.
0 of 10 from the line so far
Ang
for DFA.
0 of 10 free throws.
Opo, sir.
Di ba may isang pumasok kay Samonte?
Double check. 4 of 10 from the free throw, 0 of 10 from the 3 ball.
Sa 3 balls. Naniniwala ka kasi dyan sa taong nasa harap.
Hindi kasi, sir, naka 45-degree angles. No excuses. No excuses.
Tatlo yan eh. Itong katabi ko sa kanan. Yung
Aha.
sa harap.
Capital B.
Si Rex Trinidad.
Capital R. Capital R. Put them together. Brrr. Correct.
38-9. Baka
If you reverse it,
aabot kaya ang double digits itong...
that's the plan, sir.
Sana. Ganda ng reverse toss na yun. Hindi lang mabot. Habol!
Yan ang mga nakakapagod.
Ay, aray ko.
Oh. Keep running, sir. Just like Forrest.
Sabi ni Kaget nung araw,
Ganito yan.
ito yan.
Ako, pag tumalbog ng malayo, sir, maybe
Ayan.
later. Yeah.
Nowadays, nung araw, abulin mo.
Ay, sir, no problem.
Ito, libre. Ayaw talaga yung field goal, ano? Paalat, Ferreira. Drive. He will get it. Big basket. That time by Joy J. Biglang volleyball. J. Gumasing.
Yan ang sinasabi ko, sir.
Yan, kaka-volleyball.
That's what you call too much coverage.
Yeah. It's
But-
too much.
But I like that.
Yeah. Basta may ano. Okay.
Coverage.
Yeah. In the meantime.
31-point lead. Quarter scoring. Double check. 18-6. Start of the second. 22 for DOJ. Quarter 2. 3 points meanwhile for DFA. Quarter 2.
Sige, Rina, may 2 minutes pa go.
Yeah, si Paul Reguela used to play for Baste, no? Naging champion yung Baste during his time when he was playing in the years 2000, 2001, and 2002, no? Naging MVP din siya for a time in the year 2001. But with the DOJ naman, he has been with the company for the last 12 years. Nagtatrabaho siya under the NBI agency. Back to you, Sir Seth.
20 years, Rina.
Oh, kasi 2001 siya huling naglaro. Dung era na yun. Ayan, may
Kapag 2001, sila Romel Aducol yan. Banjo Calpito, Romel Daet.
sino?
Yung maliit.
Yung point guard. Si,
Oo. Pilam ba yun?
Hindi.
Sir, yung parang ako.
Patay.
Tiga-pilam ako, sir, dyan sa QC. Sa harap nung yung TV building, sir.
Naalala ko si Reguerson Sebastian. Ano yan?
Daep.
One of the last teams ni Turo Valenzuela yan, di ba?
Yung team na yun, sir.
Yeah. No, that won't work. Or si Francis Rodriguez. Hindi ako sure, ha? Either of the two. Tanungin natin si Paul mamaya. That will work on the fast break. Gumasing.
It's a line drive of a pass. Straight to third base. For a 34-point lead for DOJ. Looking good. Extremely strong. Opportunistic here in the quarter.
You know, if they get to play more, mayroon ding talunin na marami-rami itong DOJ, ha? Kung complete sila, ha? Kasi they have material, eh. They have height.
They have height.
Ayan, no? Tatangkad na tao. Hello.
Scoop pass.
Here's Gumasing. Slows it down. 1:06 to go. Here's Akal. Akal trying to set the table. To the wing we go. Gumasing. No. Rebound.
Oh.
Tough undergo stab. And there's a foul in the backcourt. 14th foul of the DOJ.
Pero dati may backcourt foul, ano?
Yep. Two free throws. Pag penalty.
Hindi kaya tayo inabot yun, sir.
Kayo, generation.
Pero gusto ko sanang inabot yun.
Lagi ang papaulin dun. pero nabutan mo yung 3 to make 2. Hindi.
Yes, sir.
Nabutan mo.
Oo. Saka 2 to make 1, meron mong ganun, sir?
Meron.
Nabot ko yan, sir.
Ikaw naman, 2 free throw lang, pasok na sa'yo. Ay, yung
Saka dati, sir, yung mga net ang haba.
Mas maiksi bang yan?
Maiksi na yan. Tapos may time naman na sobrang ikli.
Oo nga. Here's Gumasing.
Kasi, sir, medyo delikado pag sobrang haba. Sumasakit sila.
Lumaki ang mga tao, eh.
Correct. Kaya inikli yan dati. Ganda ng galaw.
Pero pag pihit sa baseline, hindi lang talaga umabot yung pihit ni Carlo Livio.
Grabe mileage ni Guzman, sir, no?
Oo. 11 seconds. Runner. Ayan, mahirap. Kung hindi aabot. Objective.
Abot yan, sir.
Ibig sabihin,
Abot yan, sir. Abot yan, sir.
ibig sabihin, gusto sana ng DFA umabot ng twin digits.
Tama.
Pero hindi, masyadong malakas ang bulusok ng kupunan ng DOJ. They're in control, Ron.
25 point second quarter para sa kanila. 3 puntos para sa mga naka-asul. At dito tayo magtatapos sa ating unang 2 quarters. 43 para sa DOJ, 9 points para sa DFA, up 34, White Sharks. DFA looking to
the Department of Justice, and they are in possession ahead 43-9. Third quarter underway. DFA will try to get something going no matter what it takes, I suppose. Rina, go ahead, please.
Yes, it's all about celebrating small wins para din sa kupunan ng DFA Diplomats. No? They're happy that somehow nakakatakbo sila at nakakakuha sila ng bola dito. Kaya lang, hindi talaga pumapasok yung mga open shots nila. They need to be more patient on this second half. Coach Butch said, gumagana ang mga hands up nila dahil hindi nakakashoot ang DOJ. So kahit hindi sila aggressive, ang importante lang sa kanila is they always have to put their hands up to challenge the shooters of the Beacons here. And lastly, kailangan lang talaga mag-usap-usap din sila para makapagtulungan sila inside the court. Sir Sev, back to you.
Absolutely, and they still have to identify who are the people who will be the sources of points for this group. Hindi pa nila ma-determine saan manggagaling offense nila, Coach Ronnie.
ang DFA, sir. Kasi maliwanag naman ayon sa ulat ni Rina kanina sa panayam niya kay Coach Butch na oras ang problema nila. Pero importante, sir, nakalaro sila ngayon.
Oh,
At yan ang simula.
nung isang araw, we were looking for them but they had some schedule complications. Uh-oh. They get it across in time. Here's Ferreira. Ferreira. Alam mong naglaro sila dati.
Yes.
Pero matagal hindi nakapaglaro. Diba? Yung tempo, iba eh. That basket will count for Robert Quintin.
Yes, was the
Bob.
top scorer for them dun sa una nilang laro.
Bob Quintin. Baseline. Ayaw. May foul. Si kinatibidad sa pananulak.
That was a late call.
Natawa na lang siya. Don't push. You're the biggest guy on the floor.
Minsan, sir, pagtalan mo talaga, makakadyot mo dahil nasa harap eh.
May foul. Number 21. Walang iba kundi si Gaurano. Ganda ng pangalan. Julius
Parang
Caesar.
mga politician ng Gaurano, di ba, sir?
I think so. Ewan.
Julius Caesar.
Julius Caesar.
Philosopher or Roman?
Emperor.
Oh, my.
Press. Wala. Wala silang source of points talaga. Eto, Gaurano. Pushing hard. Uy, may takbo ang Gaurano. He will get the basket after he was fouled as well. Natividad taking care of matters after he was called for a foul earlier.
Good speed by Gaurano. What about that spectacular back pass? Perfect setup for Natividad, who's unstoppable underneath. 7 of 10, 6 rebounds, 14 points.
And Ferreira collects the miss. Maganda yung report ni Rina kanina. They may not be able to win this game, but you continue to challenge, continue to play hard, challenge defensively. Yan ang ginagawa ng mga African countries ngayon. Sumasabay na sa Europeans at saka sa Amerika.
Totoo yan, sir.
South Sudan, ano?
South Sudan, SSU. What about China, sir? Leading the Olympic medal tally.
Quintin, may tira ito ha. Ayaw lang pumasok.
Papasok yan, sir.
Tingin mo?
Matter of time.
Sige ha. Pag hindi pumasok, Padulyon. At this time. Hello, Natividad. Hello. No. Natividad. No. Tries to tiptoe for it. We'll shoot free throws instead.
3 rebounds, 1 possession, 9 rebounds, 14 points. Second trip to the line. As you see, former Congressman Chicoy Alvarez
Payat nga si Chikoy ngayon.
Attorney Bayang nandito na rin.
Naglaro ngayon. Si Bayang wala last time, ano?
Tama, sir.
Saka, alam mo, sukatan ng matagal hindi naglaro. Free throw. Diba? Iba yung bitaw, iba yung pukol.
Sir.
There's a split daw.
Sila ay nagre-ready na ang defending
Sino
champions.
Sino yung number 5 na? Si
Kita mo
Golden.
naman, sir, Golden.
Siya ang unang-una.
Hanap ko si Warren Tan.
Nakabihis last time, nung nasa
Ayun,
POL tayo.
si Attorney Flaminiano, nandyan na.
Yan, maaga lagi yan. Wala. Yung Senate, ang lakas din ng spread core nila, no? Ang lakas ng... iba rin yung bande. Hindi sila ganun karami. Only 24 senators but given what's the right term? Hindi session per term siguro. Except for those who are going 2 or 3 terms. I wonder if Sani Angara will play. If he still will be allowed to play.
Did you see the triple, sir, from DFA?
Yeah, finally.
Matter of time.
Who was it?
We'll double check, sir. Player number 27.
Hindi si Quintin.
Para sa DFA, si Benigno.
Si Benigno. Hindi
The
si
first
Quintin.
dribble, hindi po, sir. It will come.
Yan si Quintin. Hinihingal. Naglalakad.
Kasi pinipressure na sila, sir.
Siyempre. Ito si Quintin. Libre. Ayaw. Nailang. Kay Natividad. Big man tries to dribble. Pumarang. Padulyon. Bothered by Ferreira. Nice pass.
Could have been a 3-point play. Nonetheless, Natividad scores using the glass for a total of 17. Plus 10 rebounds for a 38-point lead.
Well, alam mo, mabalik kay Paul Reguera. Mabilis ko siyang kinausap. Dati siyang Basteta, may report ni Rina. Pero ang coach nila noon, si Turo Valenzuela, one of the... Jose knocks it down. As ang mga teammates niya noon, a very good point guard si Christian Coronel. I remember that team. I covered the NC in 2002.
Bilis ng panahon, sir.
Oo nga, no? Ganun lang ang 22 years. Padulyon, no? Natividad reclaims it. Back to Attorney Padulyon. Offline. Can't hit the mark now. Mabot din ng twin digits ang DFA.
Tumama na, sir. Dalawang jumpers dito sa quarter na ito. Pagkatapos meron na silang 7 puntos sa kabuuan. After just a total of 3 points sa nakalipas sa second quarter.
Quintin, one step too many.
So, most productive quarter na ito para sa DFA. 6 in the first, 3 in the second, 7 here in the third.
Productive nga talaga. Samantala, magkakaroon tayo na timeout na hiningi ng DFA. Balik po ang inyong EFO. Sandali lang.
Okay. Dito po tayo. Ganun pa rin Ganun pa rin. Yung depensa natin. Nakakawala pa rin sila eh. Nakakalibre pa rin sila eh. Kasi pag baba natin ng bola, ano mo kaagad? Pasa, di ba yung sabi ko? Pagka inbound, pag may tao, hindi ito nakaabang. Itawid lang natin kaagad. Let's dribble tayo, di ba? Yun ang game plan. Ball fake. Oo, ball fake. Let's dribble tayo. Para hindi tayo makagawan. Hindi rin mapapagod yung point guard. Okay? Ganun lang. Tapos tira lang tira. Pumapasok na tira natin. Go.
Ito. Makasaysayang araw to. Huwag nang pabalikin yung dalawang floor director na dati rito, ha? Ayoko na makita. Yan na! Pumasok sa baseline. Lemieux taking care of the short corner flip. 54-16 ang ating bilang. Near steal. Completed.
Yan ang problema.
Ito na. Breakaway layup. No problem this time for Glenn Akal.
Sabi ni Rina, sir, hindi makakalaro ngayon si Senator Sani Angara. Pero sa mga susunod na play dates, siya ay muling manunumbalik para pa rin sa Senado.
Well, kasi di ba, ako naman nabanggit ko lang. Kasi officially, sa trabaho, nag-resign siya bilang senador. The position of which, sabi nga ni Senate President Escudero, hindi magkakaroon ng special election. Samantala, Canto. Well, the Angara family has always been into education, no, sa UP.
Siya yung din
Isa sa-
dati, sir, na nag-aaral ako sa youth.
Sino?
Ang father.
Sa Senator Edgardo.
Yes, sir. Yung title year ng Maroons noon.
Nag-presidente rin yata siya. ng
Yes, sir.
PIOC,
Kaya
sir.
sa kanya namin dinala yung
Trophy.
mahiwagang trophy.
Mahiwaga. Here's Samonte. Oo, nung 86. Tuturo pa ako ng isang subject nun sa CMC.
Sa UP, sir?
Nabutan ako. Kasi nagturo ako, full-time ako sa CMC, 82 to 84. Pero nag-part-time pa ako ng isa pa noong 86.
Wow. Trivia.
Napaka-kalat.
Di pa ganun ka-traffic noon, sir. Kaya lang.
Kasi doon din ako nakatira sa may, sa may Commonwealth dati.
Dati, sir? I
Ah.
see.
Samonte. That's the second free throw he's made in this game.
Good sign for DFA. Signs of life.
Yeah.
8-point quarter.
We've always seen teams like this, no? When they struggle, when they start playing together. Oh, you can't do that. Can't do that. Can't get your own missed rebound.
What about the
especially
shoes?
off the rim. What shoes?
Not
Of
bad.
Samonte?
Yes, sir.
Why? What's that?
Magenta.
Okay.
Tama ba, sir? Magenta?
Yeah. Version of red.
See. In the color wheel.
Open. Tres. Live. You unable to score. Here comes Pereira. Alferez. Open. Air ball. Di ba, yun ano, pagka batiin mismo at saka yung hangin mo, wala, hindi talaga aabot yung tira. Saka magmatagal ka hindi nakahak ng bola, ganda ng zigzag. Nice drive. He will shoot free throw. Si Jay Gumasing.
5-point scorer so far. Gumasing with 2 rebounds. And 3 assists as well.
59-17.
I see Paul Yamamoto,
42.
sir.
Where?
There, sir.
Is Dayami there?
Yes, sir. It's not Dayami, sir. Yami. Dayami is
The what? The horse
vitamins.
of the horse.
Nah.
Tejada. Here comes Gumasing. Akal. Nice
nice
side
move.
step.
Oh.
Sila pumasok.
Beautiful move.
Here's Samonte.
I see Sir Jerry as well, sir.
Jerry, you say his last name. So
Panghulan, there.
Yeah.
Sir, to the left.
yeah, I know. He can't walk because the play is in progress. The ball is not received by Gumasing. Look at the shoes of Sir Jerry.
I like it, sir.
Yeah.
That's the song of Stephen Bishop.
What?
On and on.
On and on. Pero saan ang wedding ni Rex?
Ganito yan, sir.
Okay.
Wedding singer? Wedding invitee? Wedding crusher? Oh, he made it 4.
Yeah.
He made it 4, sir. He's pushing the limit.
Weddingan.
Oh, foul.
Weddingan. Free throw. Si number 38 ng DFA. Si Raleigh Tejada ang titira.
Natutuwa ako, sir, kasi yung vibe dito sa side ng DFA, puro nakangiti pa rin sila, sir. Kasi importante is the commitment to play.
Oh, pinawisan tayo. Ayos lang yan.
Yan, no? Si Coach Butch, every time may makakashoot, magagawa maayos sa loob.
Little wins, ano?
Yes,
Victories.
yes, sir. Oh. Just to be here.
Kesa nakatihaya sa bahay, hindi pumasok. Shot clock continues to tick away, by the way. 6 seconds remaining. That's traveling. Yeah. 59-18. 41 points. Here's the lead. Samonte fires. Misses very badly. Here's Zakal. Slows it down.
Nice.
That just doesn't work. Yeah, the ball will go the other way. There's a foul against the DOJ.
Well, the irony of all is that they're on top by this big, but they seem to be the team that commits more fouls.
The research called for that one. Well, alam mo, at a certain age, last defense is a foul.
Truly.
Di mo mahabol. Di mo maabot. Foul. Chance to use everybody on the bench today. Napaka matulungin ng mga kasama natin dito sa UNTV. No? Para na lang silang para silang hangin dumadaan. Eh. Oh, ito pa. Isa pa. Oh. Sige. Isa pa.
Yan sa rumakyat tuloy.
Pakasipag niyan batang yan. Leverisa. Oh, great pass. Gumasing.
Big side cut. Rewarded. Bullet pass inside. Two-handed at that. Threading the needle, pushing themselves 43 points clear.
Tejada can't make it to work. 46 seconds remaining. Maabot kaya ng 40 points ang DFA.
Magandang tanong yan, sir. 43-9 end of the first quarter. 18-9 in the quarter. Ang scoreline, pabor pa rin sa DOJ.
Ang score ng DFA last game nila.
Double check natin, sir.
Ito. Tingin sa kodigo.
36.
Oo nga. Ferreira will shoot. Rim Rattler.
19 free throw shot by DFA. 7 converted for a little under 36%.
61-18 is the official score. It will remain the same as we come down to the final 26 seconds of your third quarter. Gumasing thought about it, but they want to swing it around. Gumasing has no hesitation now.
Oh!
Hey! I think, is he in double digits already?
14 points already.
Mismo. Here's Quintin. Offensive foul. Offensive foul ang tawag. On number 7. Bad screen. Leverisa launches. It's an awkward rushed shot, but there's a follow-up. That will work for the DOJ.
Courtesy of Kagwat.
Yeah. Johnny Kagwat will make it a 66-18 ball game at the end of 3. We will be back with you very shortly. Ang daming movies, are 35, 40 years old already. Some great ones, Footloose. 30 years siguro ang
Top Gun, sir.
Top Gun. Nagkaroon ng recent new version, di ba? Top Gun Maverick. Yung favorite song doon theme song doon was Danger Zone.
Tama. Yung lumilipad yata sila.
Yeah.
Aha. Kenny Loggins Footloose, di ba, sir?
Yep. So, The result is very clear. The DOJ will pick up a win here today.
1-1. DFA slides to 0-3.
Good running. Gumasing has been a spearhead for this DOJ team. Ang dami nila sources of points.
Si Padulio na tatibidad ang poste rito.
Gaurano likes to cut up the inside. They like to cut and slice. That shot does not work, however. Picked up downstairs. Ooh, but the pass goes to the wrong party. Open. Gumasing, not this time around. Fernandez standing in the middle of the path. Here's Quintin. Quintin trying to elude the defender. Baseline drive over to Fernandez. But there's a steal from the rear. Here comes the push. Here's Humarang. Humarang walang huwaharang. Di matiis, ano?
Pwede naman, sir.
Pinoy na Pinoy ang pangalan eh. Humarang. Parang ano, no?
Gumasing, sir.
Yung batong bakal yan. Pinoy-Pinoy.
Sir, ito ang Pinoy na Pinoy.
Ano?
Cruz.
Oh, man.
De la Cruz. Santos.
Tapos ang Gonzales, dalawa. May S at may Z. Ang merong historical significance daw yun. Kung ano yung social class mo,
Peninsulares,
o S. Kung Z ang ending mo, ano ka pa rin, may Spanish connection ka pa rin.
Senyor.
Pag S, Noipi. Native.
Oh. Homegrown.
Homegrown.
Ay.
Ay. The intended pass for Attorney Jose goes astray. (67-18). Here's Gaurano. Offensive foul. They'll call it against Gaurano as Quintin didn't allow him to go anywhere. Hindi abot ng 40. Hindi abot ng 40. Hindi nila malaman kung saan magagaling ang puntos.
Tama po, sir. Aga ng judiciary, sir, no?
Asan sila?
Ayan.
Ayan ang mga bossing talaga, mga justice.
Hukom.
Men in row. Andiyan pa kaya si Justice Martin? Naglalaro pa kaya?
Wala po, sir.
Yan yung magaling na point guard.
Wala po, sir.
Saka hindi ba yung grupo ng mga yan? Mga huwes yan sa probinsya. Marami dyan.
Tama, sir.
Hindi lang Luzon, ha?
O yung iba nga, sir,
Bisaya
para maglaro, eh.
Kesa naman nakatihaya sa bahay, di ba?
I think that is your favorite expression.
Yeah, which is my favorite thing to do usually on a Sunday.
That is called
Tihaya.
TSB.
Yeah, what is TSB?
Tihaya sa bahay.
Yeah.
Or BST.
Bahay, sabay tihaya.
Mas maganda TSB, sir.
Ay! Hello, dancing without music. Yeah, that cannot be a foul, my friend.
No, Capella, sir.
No. He drove in. There was a roadblock. He tried to elevate, ended up taking too many steps.
Open, wide open.
I think he should fire, but no. Here's Fernandez, wide open, too short. And the rebound claimed by Padulion.
Up and running.
To the wing. Gaurano to the cutting inside. Gumasing. Hindi maabot yung bola. Pagka hindi mo makawang bola, foul daw. Nasa backcourt pa si Guzman. Naitawid from Quintin. Benigno rather.
In the nick of time.
Yeah. Guzman. Pinadala sa kanto. Jose can't elevate. Guzman. No.
Scoreless in the fourth so far in DFA.
Quintin. Hayang. Nice drive.
First field goal. Fourth quarter. After we ended the third quarter at 66-18.
Ano kaya ang largest ever lead sa EFO?
Good question, sir. Nandito sa tabi natin si R.
Wala yan.
The second R of the triumvirate.
Okay.
Beria?
And Podolion and company, they'll coast along, 6:30 remaining.
Oh, yes.
Sabit. Uy, jumbo lang tawag.
Possession stays with them. Jump ball. Possession na rin.
Jumbo na. Dapat ang dyan pa rin ng bola kasi possession arrow pointing in that direction. Baseline inbound for the DOJ. 6:21, a sure win already by the DOJ as probably early as the first half of play. No, that will not work for Guhit. Here's Guzman, nobody in front of him, nobody behind him, takes care of the basket. They get to 20 points.
I like that. Guzman showing us the foot speed. Coach Butch celebrating the first basket of the fourth. They may be down, but they are not out, and they're happy to be playing here.
Padalion looking inside. To the wing we go. Tres. Hits the back rim. Guzman slows it down. Libre si Jose. No.
Naalala ko, sir, si Bobby Jose, no?
Oo nga, no?
The firecracker.
Dalawa ang Jose rito. Yung DOJ may Jose. Andiyan siya sa floor niya, si Joel. At sa kabilang panig, of course, si Atty. Charles Jose na ni-report ni Rina kanina. So the lead is 49. Libre. Humarang. There's a loose ball foul from behind. That is going to go against Caguiat.
Sorry, yung kasabay kong dumating kanina.
Yan.
Number 38, yes.
Si Rally Tejada. Grabe si Jose, no, yung attorney, no, dating ambassador sa Malaysia.
For 10 years. Yeah. 30 years in the service.
We used to have major political differences with Malaysia.
Really, sir?
Sabah.
Because of the Sabah issue.
Sabah issue. And maraming territories that historically belong to the Datus, mga ganon.
Malapit ba sa Mindanao yan, sir?
Good question.
O sa Palawan?
Either or. Natapa si Guzman. Benigno pick it up. Turn, twisting shot by Ferreira. He wanted the basket more than the foul, actually.
Pati yung mga nanonood sa DFA, very involved, sir.
Kasi kung hindi man tayo manalo rito, at least nakashoot ka, no? Galing, eh? Ferreira brings them to 21.
8 free throws converted. 6 field goals today.
Why, really struggling with their offense. Split from the line. Clock is down to 4:35. We're that far away from making this an official win already for the Department of Justice. Padolion, back to business.
Started the juggernaut, aiming to finish the clincher. 15 for Padolion on 5 made triples for a 51-point lead.
Ang sabi niya sa akin, si Padolion, level justice na daw siya. Pero prosecutor pa rin siya.
I see.
Kasi, di ba, they represent the government in trials, in cases. Foul si Padolion. 72-21 ang ating bilang.
Padolion and Gumasing have been spark plugs para dito sa team ng DOJ. Those two names, Padulyon and Gumasing, helping out Natividad control. Just as we said,
Sobra. Ang linis ng baril ni Attorney.
kanina maganda na yung arko pero ito, iba na.
Daan ako nga sa bahay ito sa may amin sa Green Hills.
Parang bridge down yung arko, sir.
May takbo itong DOJ, ha? Konting laro pa to, mababatak ito
May tunugan sapatos, sir.
At this time, ito si Gumarang, may takbo Leverisa, counted yan, may foul.
Gumarang,
May material.
Gumarang, Gumasing,
Kasi
Orano.
yung Natividad doesn't even have to play all that much here today. Walang sasabay sa kanya. Pero pag nakalaban niya ibang teams, ayan. Sino yung best player ng AFP? Si Tulen?
Tulen at saka si Colonel Parsha.
Parsha, grabe nung game.
Ay, iba talaga, sir. You ain't nothing but a hound dog.
Yeah! Inside we go to Samonte, one of their starters. Coming down to 3 minutes and 20. Leveris. Oh, he changed hands at the last moment. Michael Jordan. There, good. Tama yan. Tumama sa iba Tama yun. There's no double dribble, no passing. Ano sa volleyball, catch and pass.
Oops.
Op. Ayaw. 2 minutes and 56 remaining. Well, one thing you can say, whether you're DFA or DOJ, an afternoon well spent, you get to sweat. Their afternoon is better than mine. That's what I can tell.
What about this afternoon for Padulyon?
Yeah.
Right corner pocket. Left corner pocket.
He's a billiards player, you know.
Sir, 18 points.
Sa bilyar, I think you have to call your shot, no?
Tama, sir.
You have to call your
Di
shot.
katulad ko. Lakas tira.
Sabog!
Lakas tira.
Sargo! Ako, sasabihin ko, 12, corner pocket, papasok 7. Diba? Alahoy, chamba.
Doblete, tatapag.
Udong. Pero pag tinamaan una yung isang bola at pumasok, okay lang din. Galing ni Efren, hanggang ngayon. Gustong-gusto ko pagka sinisira niya yung diskarte ng mga announcer na foreign Efren is going to go this way. Tapos iibay niya. Gumasing misses. That won't work. Here's Quintin. Konti panlaro ito. Huli si Quintin ni Leverisa. May foul.
Parang Quintin Paredes, sir, papuntang Leverisa.
Parang kalye, Quintin Paredes. Saan ang Leverisa? Quiapo. Hindi ko alam. Pasay, ha?
Oo, Turo Valenzuela, sir.
Yun ang yun ang birthplace and residency Carlos Yulo.
Leverisa, sir?
Leverisa. And he started liking gymnastics by watching the gymnasts at the Rizal Memorial.
Malapit nga yun, sir. Stone's throw away yan. Wow. Leverisa.
Tapos biglang nagtatatumbling, sinabihan yung kamag-anak, pasok niyo nga ng gymnastics. Boy, I saw a video of Carlos Yulo when he was so much younger. Palarong pambansa. Magaling na.
Hanapin ko nga, sir, yung picture namin. Nagpa-picture ako ng Southeast Asian Games,
okay. Saan ito? Sa Cambodia? Meron, sabi mo nga nun.
Nabol ko yan,
At least nakatingala siya sa'yo. Ikaw, lahat na ibang player, ikaw nakatingala sa lahat, no?
That's very true.
Yeah. We get used to that. Because we're not Rex Trinidad. Padulyon. He likes it when we say his name, no?
Do you know why, sir?
Why?
Because it's Adam. Wish 7-5.
Attorney Padulyon is too much today, huh? He's too much today.
7 triples. For a total of 21 points. 21 of the 81, over 25%. Or nearly 20. Tama, over na.
Yeah. So, DFA, very game participation today. But, of course, Padulyon again. Not this time. 50 seconds to go.
Naging inside operator jogging his way back.
Yeah. Here's Tejada. That had a chance, huh? Diretso yun.
Nice forward pass.
Oh, libre si Gumasing.
Was also played well with 16 points.
May sure ball yung Gumasing eh, no?
16 points, 6 rebounds, 4 assists, 2 steals. Kagwat, 4 points, 10 rebounds. Leverisa, 11 rebounds. Limiu, 12 rebounds. Itabigat, 17 and 11.
Pero hindi nga aabot sa 40. No? Final score to be determined. The league current lead is 61. Sa basketball, walang mercy rule eh, no?
Wala po, sir.
Unlike sa softball. Okay. That'll do it for this one. The DOJ rather, scoring its first win, Ronnie.
That's correct. After being frustrated in their first match, losing 62-55 to AFP, buckled down to work, waited for about 3 weeks, and will be rewarded with a 61-point win against the hard-fighting unit from DFA.
Best player or players?
Players natin, sir, yung kanilang backcourt tandem, Gumasing and Fadulyon, working extremely hard. One from the 3-point line, the other in the open court. And they will be right now with Miss Rina Villamor Camara.
All right, our two best players of this ball game, we have Richard Fadulyon and of course Attorney Jay Gumasing from the DOJ Beacons right now. Unahin ko na po dito si Doc Richard Fadulyon. No? Of course, congratulations on your win here. This is your first win for the season. Paano nyo po i-continue ang winning momentum para po sunod-sunod ang panalo ng DOJ po?
Well, little by little, we're getting into the groove. We lost our first game because we were not able to adjust, but little by little the team is adjusting. So I think they can expect better plays from us, better results in the next games.
All right, moving up right now, we have Attorney Jay Gumasing. This has been an easy win for you guys, no? Pero sa mga susunod nyo pong laban, bigatin na rin po yung mga kaharap nyo dito. On your next game, it will be the Senate Sentinels. Paano naman po ang DOJ facing the Senate Sentinels? Paano nyo sila paghahandaan?
I think today mas malakas kami ngayon dahil nagkakaalaman na kami ng mga plays namin, alam namin mga moves namin. So yung play namin inside the court, alam na namin. So yun ang kailangan pagandaan ng aming opponent.
Sir, isa po sa challenge din ng inyong kupunan, yung kawalan din ng punang time to practice as a team. But how do you keep yourself fit, no? Para po maganda ang endurance at performance nyo sa bawat laro nyo po?
So before the game, nagkakaroon mga stretching, paghahanda. So kinukondisyon namin mga sarili namin. Kaya pagdating ng game, kondisyon na kondisyon kami. So saka yung mga kasama ko, may bonding na alam na namin yung isa't isa, yung mga galawan namin. So yun, inspired kami sa bawat isa.
Attorney, baka may mga gusto po kayong batiin at pasalamatan para po sa larong ito?
Of course, yung aming MVP, si Chief Dong Fadulyon. Yung mga kasama ko sa Bulacan, Joey Jose, Chester Natividad, tsaka lahat ng teammates ko sa DOJ. Tsaka yung mga coaches ko, ang gagaling. Thank you very much po.
Maraming salamat po sa inyo, Sir Richard. Sino po ang mga gusto niyong batian at pasalamatan sa larong ito?
Well, yung aming coaching staff, si Coach Paul, si Coach Raven, at saka yung aming ibang coaches, no? Maraming salamat. Pinagtsatsagaan nyo kami. At wag po kayong mag-aalala. Pagbubutihin pa namin sa susunod ng mga laro.
Thank you so much and congratulations to our two executive best players of this ball game. We have Richard Fadulyon and of course Attorney Jay Gumasing of the DOJ Beacons. Back to you guys.